Do you love burgers and fries, but would still really kind of like to have abs? I'm going to show you a tasty recipe for making homemade burgers and fries that won't kill your diet. So every recipe starts with the ingredients. It's super simple for this, you guys. I literally just got a potato from the vegetable section at our grocery store, washed it, cut it up myself. This is 96.4 ground beef, a little bit of spinach. Then for the buns, I use the Udi's gluten-free because we are both gluten-free. Awesome. They taste really good. I love the texture of those. And then this is all we use as far as cooking oils for both the potatoes and the meat. I do put some ketchup on it. I do love this low sodium, low sugar from HEB, and then salt and pepper. You can use other seasonings. Montreal steak's like a really good one, like whatever you want to put on your burgers. I'm limited in some things. You're probably not, but these still taste delicious. Okay, so as far as doing the fries, I've already talked about just like washing it, cutting it up, that sort of thing. I didn't tell you, so evidently it's important with potatoes to put them in water first. So I cut them up and then I put them in water in a bowl for about 15 minutes. And then you take the potatoes out, pour the water out, put new water in and let them sit for like another 10. And then what Tim got at first was me patting them dry. It's important that you dry the potatoes. Evidently this is like the only kind of complicated thing. So then what I did to make them a little bit soft is I put them on a plate and then microwaved them for like 3 minutes, just to soften them up a bit. And then we prepped them for the air fryer. So I use both sides of it just so none of them are touching. There's plenty of air in between it. And I literally just sprayed them with this avocado oil and then put salt and pepper on them. And that is it. We'll put them in the air fryer on 390 for about 12 minutes. And about halfway through, I'll toss them, like turn them over, and that's it for the fries. They'll be done. Okay, now for the good part. So we've already warmed our skillet and put our spray in there. We're just gonna put our patty on there. This is always a fine science because with there being a little bit of fat in there, it always like shrinks down a little bit. So it's kind of a guesstimation. And then I always put this on top just to make it cook a little bit more evenly. And then we started this one as well. It should be getting close. I'll go ahead and put a little spray in there because everybody likes for their buns to be like toasted, right? Fun fact on these, if you do get these like we do in the frozen section, what I did was I let the bag sit out so that it could thaw out early because nobody wants broken buns. So I let them thaw out enough to where I could like peel them apart real easy. So that's just a little hack on that. But I'll just take one side at a time. These are really good. If you don't like them toasted, like I love to eat it this way, but every now and then I like to be a little bougie. You can't add no hamburgers. No, not for the goats. You should see her dirt face right now. Mom is cooking dinners. Okay, guys, so this is it. Ta-da! So this is fit for my macros personally. So we are looking at roughly 32 grams of protein, 86 carbs, 11 grams of fat. All together, it's like 580 calories. So if you're comparing that to like going out to a restaurant, eating a burger there, that's usually around 1,500 calories. So this is only 1/3 of that. It tastes really good. I don't have any inflammatory responses from it. And let's be honest, if it tastes really good, then we're going to be consistent at eating it, right? So these are the types of foods that we put into the plans for our clients. We just see, hey, what's important to you that you have on a regular basis so that you can stick to the plan, because consistency is key. So if you would like to have burgers in your plan and have abs, then shoot us a comment. We would love to chat. We can definitely put a plan like this together for you too.